Hey guys, Chris Callaway here with Callaway Classics. Just here to give you a quick rundown of what we got going on in the lot. Today to help us out, we've got Iceman. He's going to show us around. We're going to go through both buildings and check out the cars. Ready to go, Ice? Come on, bud. So out front we've got the red car is my drift car. It's not actually part of the dealership, just 350Z. Here we got a CTS V Cadillac wagon, 2011. Come on, Iceman. All right, you ready? Good boy. Come here. What are you doing? All right, so a little background info about us. We are located in two buildings that have previously been the longest continuously operated Ford dealership in America. Both built in 1915. Started as a Ford dealership and remained in operation as a Ford dealership until 2019. So I'm just going to walk around, point out all the cars that are here. Some of them are for sale currently, others will be for sale soon, and others are not for sale. So I'll just point out what we have on the website and what will be coming up. So in the back corner there, we'll run over there real quick. In the back corner here, we've got one Honda mini bike, 70s, one of every color from 1971. We're not actually selling those, they're just a nice little display piece. Here we've got a 1971 Camaro, 396, 4-speed, numbers matching, documentation on it. It's on our website, it's for sale currently. It's in placer gold, really nice restoration. And then over here we've got two Yamaha 70s and a 1988 Honda ZB50. And then right here, this is on our website, this is for sale, 1968 Cougar, just factory 302. We got this car out of Arizona. Pretty nice, rust-free. Floors underneath, everything's pretty solid. Drives really well. This is a 64 Galaxie. It's got a 427 side oiler stroker in it now, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's a pretty awesome car. We don't have it for sale right now, but it will be soon. Come on, Iceman. Want to go? Come on. Come on, Ice. Come on, Iceman. Let's go. Good boy. And here we got some photos of our restoration of this building back in 2020. So if you're a history buff or you like old buildings, that's on our website. It's pretty cool to see the transformation. All right, Ice, you ready? Come on, bud. This here is a 1967 S-Code Mustang Fastback. Has a 428 Super Cobra Jet in it now. Factory GT. Ready, Ice? Come on, bud. Wimbledon White, red interior. And this building is where the service bays used to be for the Ford dealership. Starting with a 57 Chevy Nomad. Pretty custom car here. Got a real nice paint job on it. Typically not a huge fan of flames, but they did a really, really nice job with this paint job. It's got a 350 in it with the automatic trans. This here is a 1970 Boss 302. We have this on our website, currently for sale. I'm sorry, the Nomad is not for sale right now, but it will be soon. But back to this Mustang, this is for sale. It's on our website. It's a factory California car, so it still has a lot of unique emission systems left on it. A lot of originality to it. It's had one repaint on it. It's got, what else does it have? I'm sorry. It's got a shaker hood option from the factory, power steering, tack, a number of other things, rear louver, rear spoiler. Just a nice car all around. Like I said, it's been repainted once, but it's got a lot of originality to it. Seems like it has original metal to it, from what we can tell, and numbers matching motor and trans. This car we're not selling currently. This is a 1971 Mach 1 Super Cobra Jet. Kind of the last hurrah for the muscle car area. 1971 was the last push for any higher horsepower motors for most of the manufacturers, so that was Ford's. This is a 2015 Dodge Hellcat, 218 miles on it. We've had this one since new. Really nice car. I mean, it's basically a brand new car. 6-speed transmission and a really pretty B5 blue color. Ice, come on. Come on, Ice, keep up. Iceman. Over here we got a 1960 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. Really pretty color combo, black, red interior. 390 motor, factory air conditioning, all kinds of bells and whistles that you'd expect from a Cadillac. We don't have the grill in it right now, it's out getting cleaned. And then over here we've got a 1968 SS427, so come on Ice. Essentially it's a Impala, but it's technically called an SS427, so it's a factory 427, convertible, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, oh, power windows, that's the other thing, I'm sorry. Couldn't remember. And then over here, this is 1963 Galaxie, Ford Galaxie 406 with a 4-speed. And this is, aside from being a 406 motor, which is unique, or pretty rare, also has a factory 3-deuce carburetor setup. That is the original interior still in the car, but it has been restored to its original color. And then these Fox bodies we've got here. This is an 89 Fox body with 6,300 miles on it. It's a 5-speed LX, basically a time capsule. This one's not for sale right now, but eventually it will be. And over here, this is on our website. This is for sale. This is a 90. Iceman, come here. What are you doing? This is a 90 LX automatic, 37,000 miles on it. Really nice car, just fun to cruise around in. Still original paint. And yeah, that's the nickel tour. See you, Iceman.